Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Journeys with Jay. Today we're going to be doing this very classic red extended nail tutorial. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep watching. And again, thank you guys so much for over 800 subscribers. We're on the road to 1,000. Let me know below what you guys want to see and enjoy the video. So as you guys can see, I have my gooseneck lamp in the background. I'm going in with this Creations gel soft tip adhesive, and I'm going to be using this to adhere the gel tips to my nails today. I really love this Creations gel glue. This stuff is amazing and your nails will last for an extremely long time. I've experienced lifting with a lot of other adhesives, but this one is definitely top tier. I love this. And of course, as you guys can see, I'm following my usual steps of applying that adhesive into the base of the tip, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my nail and flash cure it under the gooseneck lamp. And once I apply the nail, I like to flash cure it for about 10 to 15 seconds while holding the nail tip in place under that gooseneck lamp. And after that, I will go into my large UV lamp to do a full cure of 60 seconds to ensure that that adhesive is cured all the way. You do not want wet adhesive. That can give you an allergic reaction to gel, and you just want to be really safe when dealing with these kind of chemicals. But honestly, this Creations gel adhesive is one of the best that I've ever used. I love the consistency. I love how thick it is. It really helps with avoiding bubbles and everything. It's so good. And I wanted to keep the nails long, so as you can see here, I just clipped off the part where the number was, and then I'm going to go in to sharpen the edges, making sure that the tip of the nail is even and very clean, and then I'm going to go ahead and buff the nail to prep it for polish. After buffing the nails, I'm going to go in with my ball bit and really clean up the cuticle. I love for my cuticle to be very clean. I had already done nail prep prior to applying my nail tips, but I love me a nice clean cuticle, so I'm just going in there very lightly. I don't want to be too aggressive, and I don't want to keep going into that cuticle because I had already done so beforehand. But if you see, like, just look at that, look at how nice that is. It's going to ensure that my nail polish goes on extremely clean around the cuticle as well. then I'm just going to go in and dust off any of that nail dust from cleaning up those cuticles. And then I'll go in with a lint-free wipe. Here I just have a paper towel because that is what was closest to me. And I'm going in with 70% isopropyl alcohol, and I'm going to just clean that up. And once I've wiped off those nails with the alcohol, I'm going to go in with a thin coat of my Model 1's base coat, or was it Macart? I can't quite remember. I have to go look, guys. I apologize. But this base coat is so old and it's not good. So yeah, I need to go ahead and let that go. I'm holding on to old bottles of polish. I need to throw that away. But I just applied a thin coat to these nails and cured it for 60 seconds before going in with my actual color. Okay, so I had so many issues with that base coat, you guys. Lint just wanted to stick to it so bad. But I'm going to go ahead and go in with my tried and true Big Apple Red OPI nail polish. This has been my absolute favorite red for over 12 years now. I love this polish so much. It looks great on everyone, and it's such a very classic red polish. I have this in both regular and gel polishes. And for my current nail set, I went in with 3 coats of this because I feel like with longer nails, for some reason, you just have to apply more coats of polish. But I'm going in with 3 coats, and in between each layer, I'm curing it for 60 seconds and then going in with my top coat. Of course, for my people that have been here, they already know this is my tried and true top coat, the D&D brand, no wipe. I love this top coat. I've tried a lot of top coats, you guys, and this one has to be by far the best one that I have tried so far. I'm open to trying new brands as well, so if you guys have any suggestions for polish brands that you would like for me to review and give you guys my honest opinion on, let me know. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with just 1 coat of the top coat and cure that for 60 seconds twice. The second time, I like to flip my hand upside down to ensure that the polish around the edges of the nails and underneath the nail are completely cured. And after curing, this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this very simple short video today, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.